Want to know what makes machines tick and ideas spark? Welcome to Electrotechnics. Here, we dive into science. Here, we dive into tech. Here we dive into the magic behind everyday stuff. From building gadgets, breaking down big ideas. I'll show you how knowledge turns into cool inventions. Hit subscribe. Let's explore the genius of our world. One discovery at a time. All right, quick challenge. Could you send a cat meme to someone across the planet in under a second without knowing their address? You already do. That's the magic of computer networks. And today I'm breaking down the types and exactly how they work. So your brain has a new favorite party trick. First, a tiny tour by size, pan personal area network. That's your phone talking to your earbuds or smartwatch over Bluetooth. Super short range, super convenient. LAN local area network. Devices plug into a router or switch. Router switch share a single internet connection and play nice on the same playground. WLAN wireless LAN, aka Wi-Fi. Same idea as a LAN, but radio waves instead of Ethernet cables. CAN campus area network. A few buildings like a school or business park linked together. MAN metropolitan area network. City scale connections often run by ISPs or municipalities. WAN wide area network. This is the big leagues. Multiple LANs spread over countries using leased lines, fiber satellites, undersea cables. The internet is essentially a massive federation of WANs. SAN storage area network, VPN virtual private network, SD-WAN, software-defined WAN, CDN content delivery network, P2P, peer-to-peer mesh. Every node can pass along data like neighbors handing notes down the block, great for resilience. Client server, the classic. Okay, but how does it actually move? Imagine mailing a Lego spaceship piece by piece. Data gets sliced into packets. Each packet gets addressing info source, destination, order, and a little integrity check. At home, your device talks to a switch or Wi-Fi access point. Switch Wi-Fi access point switches forward packets inside your LAN using MAC addresses, like name tags. Your router is the bouncer at the door. It translates your local private address to a public one with NAT, then sends packets to your ISP. Out on the road, routers use routing tables, GPS for data, to choose the next hop. The big protocol family doing the heavy lifting is TCP/IP. IP handles addressing. TCP is the careful friend who checks every piece arrived and reorders them. UDP is the laid-back cousin. Faster, less checking. Great for live video or games. How do you find a website? DNS is the phone book. You type a name, it returns an IP address. How do devices get addresses in the first place? DHCP lends them out automatically so you don't have to. Ports are like apartment numbers on the same building. 8443, 2553, and other ports. Wired versus wireless? Copper Ethernet is cheap and solid. Fiber is the speed monster, shooting light over long distances. Wi-Fi cellular use radio waves, super convenient, slightly more interference, but getting smarter every year. Performance basics. Bandwidth is how wide the pipe is. Latency is how far the pipe is. For games and calls, latency hurts more than raw speed. Jitter is the wiggle in timing that makes video stutter. Security, encrypt with TLS for web, WPA3 for Wi-Fi, and use VPNs for untrusted networks. Firewalls act like customs, checking what comes in and out. Why does this matter? Because when you load a video, your device joins a LAN, talks over a WAN, fetches from a CDN, and stitches together packets, all invisibly, in milliseconds. Understanding it means faster Wi-Fi tweaks, better privacy choices, and way less. Why is this slow? Rage clicks. Quick recap: PAN for personal, LAN for home and office, CAN and MAN for bigger footprints, WAN for the world, special ops, SAN VPN SD-WAN, CDN P2P mesh client server, packets, addresses, routers, protocols, DNS ports, boom. And now you can ship that cat meme anywhere like a pro. Just don't forget to send one to me.